In this video, we'll take a look at the Quick Preview panel. First, just a quick review. You can upload data that is CSV, XLS, XLSX, these are Excel files, .dat or .sav. Now, if you're uploading a CSV, it's just one sheet, so we'll take that first sheet. If you're uploading Excel files, we'll still take just the first sheet. And if you upload a .sav file, we will read in the labels as if they were in the second row of your Excel file, assuming there are labels. Once uploaded, you can see the file name, the rows and columns in that dataset, and you can come down here to the Quick Preview. This Quick Preview shows all of your data, all the way to the right, all the way down, and lets you sort through it with a quick filter. Let's say I just wanted to see variables with the word enjoy in them. Here are all the variables in this dataset with enjoy. And also flag stays constant. I'll show you that in a moment. You can always copy out your data if you want. You can also turn off the filter, and if there's a variable you don't need in here, you can just right-click it, and it will be deleted from this session of SEMwise. So I don't need this ID column, I'm just going to right-click it, and it's gone. There is a flag option right here. If you click it, just like every column, it is sortable. I can click any column here, and it should sort top to bottom. Let me click the flag. And what this flag does is it automatically detects data problems, typically with engagement. So for example, this one has greater than 20% missing data. We can go look to the right and see, sure enough, they stopped taking this right there. Looks like the next one probably has the same problem. So you can click it and then delete it if you'd like. Once you delete it, it creates a cleaning report, also listed at the bottom of this file. I'll show you what happens after we're done cleaning out all this data. I'm going to delete this one as well. We saw that was missing quite a bit. And then this one, it says same response, greater than 80%. So they answered, as you can see here, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, all the way across. Wow. So that's a useless response. I'm going to go ahead and delete that. And then you can copy that cleaning report and stick it in a Word document. Just paste that in there, and it says 3 cases deleted, deleted 2 because they were missing more than 20%, deleted 1 because it had the same response all the way across. That report is also available down at the bottom of this. That is a lot of data. There we go. Cleaning actions taken. So you can always have a nice audit of that. If you end up changing your data much, you can always export your data so that you have a clean data set for use later. Well, that is the Quick Preview area. Hopefully that helps you look through your data quickly.